Top tankless water heaters. EcoSmart Eco 27. Pros: energy saving, easy installation, higher flow rate, small and compact. Cons: not suitable for big house, needs special electrical requirement. Camplux 5 liters 1.32 GPM. Pros: although it is highly portable, oxygen depletion sensor has made it indoor friendly as well. Reasonable price, easy installation, fire safety and anti-freezing function availability, highly portable. Cons: you must need to carry liquid propane to run this unit. Not suitable for bathroom and kitchen. Stiebel Eltron Temper Plus 24. Pros: patented controlled water flow system, higher flow rate, compact design. Cons: higher cost of energy, needs professional plumber to install this water heater. Takagi TK40SNG. Pros: higher flow rate, space saving, no venting required, remote control included. Cons: some users reviewed that they are not satisfied with the customer support. Rinnai V65N. Pros: energy efficient, easy installation process, mobile controlling system, scheduling temperature as per requirement. It can save up to 40% of the energy you need for a traditional tanked water heater. Cons: need of additional device to make fully functional, higher wait time to get hot water. Rheem RTGH95 DVLN. Pros: energy efficient, intelligent energy control system, activates instantly, larger capacity, automatic warning system. Cons: this machine needs some additional accessories during installation. Price of this unit is quite high. CO Green CO18 V2. Pros: infrared technology instead of using heat exchanger, slim design, money back without a condition, no venting needed. Cons: need for a licensed plumber to avail the warranty. So, which tankless water heater is suitable for you? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.